Inskip Point at the base of Fraser Island. So this is still on the mainland. It's a nice little anchorage we like. We pop into here and you're pretty much protected from every direction. The bar's just around the corner, so once you cross the bar all stressed out, you can come in here, drop your anchor and it's take a breather.
And what do you like to do here?
Oh, it's a good kite surfing spot. Flat, shallow water. And you've got a wind from just about every direction, but there's no wind today. So
What are all those cars doing?
they're getting on the car ferry to go across to Fraser Island.
It's a few, isn't there?
There's a ferry that runs backwards and forwards.
Go, drive! 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 Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. He'll be able to drive himself now.
She's been trying to swim with dolphins, but they didn't want to play with her. We chased a couple of dolphins around.
Is there a dolphin? Look! Quick, go, go! Go get the dolphin. Good girl. Go get the dolphin. Jump.
Between us and the birds. There, right there. Stay, stay, stay. Oh, he's got a school of fish trapped up there. Okay, you go. Get the dolphin.
Get a fish.
Good girl. Keep going. Good girl. Here it comes. It's gone underneath it. Oh, there it is. Too fast for you, honey. That's one of them. What's the other one?
They're both
Are they? We left, went down the Brisbane River, out through Moreton Bay. We had a night in Redcliffe there. Then we went along the side of Bribie, up to Mooloolaba Bar, and we had a night in Mooloolaba. Then we sailed past Noosa, and we had another night at Double Island Point. And then we popped into Inskip Point, which is right there, which is where we are at the moment. And the next part of our trip is through the Great Sandy Straits, which is a real pretty part of the world. And if you want to see where we're going, the final destination is way, way, way up here. So we're up above Cooktown. We're trying to get to Lizard Island, which is probably about 100 miles above Cooktown. So that's our final destination, to try and do that and get back down to Brisbane before cyclone season at Christmas. Knew there was going to be nudity, I would have asked for more money. So that's not put my tools in. How do you get it? Can you come push my back fat in, please?
What?
Can you come push my back fat in to zip me up? Yoy, yoy, yoy.
So here we are again. Steve's all fitted up in his wetsuiting gear. What are you up to this time,
I'm
Stevie?
going to replace the anodes underneath the boat. Zinc anodes are bolted underneath your boat to stop electrolysis chewing out your propeller and bits and pieces like that. So every now and again they need to be replaced, and normally the boat comes out of the water, which might cost you $1,000. Otherwise you can pop down on your little hooker, unbolt them and bolt some new ones on. Better job in the summertime than the wintertime. Anyway, come upstairs and I'll show you what the hooker looks like. So that's the little pump. Pumps the air down to you. It'll go down about 5 metres. And the beauty of one of these is you don't need scuba tanks. You can stay down under your boat doing maintenance and stuff for the whole day, and virtually cost you nothing. And that was only about $300 to buy off eBay. So I looked at building one, but there's actually quite a bit involved in them. You need breathable air hose, you need breathable nylon in the compressor, and all sorts of things. So that's a cheap way out of it. So these are the anodes I've got to replace under the boat. So we're going to unbolt these, bolt some new ones on. The reason I'm wearing shorts and look like a bit of a dick, even more than usual, is so I can put my tools in my pockets. Because when you go down there, you don't want to be coming back. So that's what that's all about. So we're in some reasonably clear water with not too much current. So I'm going to pop on down and try and do this thing. So we got our new anodes on. They should last 9 months to a year. So the hook is really good for doing that kind of work. We also used for replacing the mooring chain in the Brisbane River, which would cost a lot of money if you got somebody else to do it. So it's a handy thing. So yeah, if you're brave enough to go down there and do these things, it's a good thing to know and have. We've been sailing around now for 30 years, living on a yacht for 30 years, doing all our own maintenance. I've sailed 30,000 miles, and I've spent the last 20 years doing maintenance on other people's boats. So I know a fair bit about keeping things going and how to, make it all work. So this is just a bit of a YouTube channel on how we keep everything going on a boat if you want to go sailing. So that's us. So please subscribe. I forgot. Please subscribe.
So do that now. Please
Cut.
subscribe. No, you got to say it. So please subscribe to our channel, and look forward to seeing you in episode 4.
So yeah, apparently you need to subscribe, so please subscribe. Alright, so apparently we have to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe so my dog doesn't have to eat outy dog food anymore. Thanks, cheers, bye.